Fourth set action about to begin. NU, parang pacing ang ginawa ng NU dun eh. Pero dumami na errors ng magkabilang kupunan. NU out spiking itong kupunan ng Adamson.
It has been the attacks of NU that has been responsible for the win in set number 3. And they actually played a more steady game as kung kukumpara natin sa set number 1.
De Leon, yan na naman yung kanyang death-defying serve. And Dindin able to put it away. Unang punto sa ating fourth set to NU.
Dindin Santiago, who scored 4 points out of attacks in set number 3.
De Leon. Makatuno. Mayet Zapanta back in the game. And Mayet will miss.
That's outside. So Lady Falcons trying to find the combination na mag-work for them.
Ito si Ruby De Leon. Talim talaga ng serve ni Ruby. Yan na naman. This time sa likuran. Makatuno. Soriano. Nice dig that time by Ruby. Nepomuceno. And kay Nepomuceno, hindi pinabayaan yung mahirap na trabaho ginawa doon ni Ruby De Leon na masayang. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Another good serve from De Leon. Makatuno keeping that alive.
Eto ngayon, oops. Minsan lang magkamali si Ruby kung kanino niya papupuntahin yung bola, hindi na intindihan ni Dindin.
So miscommunication dito sa National University. Dindin apologizing, sorry coach.
Tayo ka agad si Edget Babayan. Kumbaga sa baseball, that was your pitch.
Oo.
Makatuno. Nice serve by Makatuno. Reyes. Listana. Makatuno. Cortel. Myla Pablo. Off the block. Makatuno. Soriano. Zapanta on the coverage. And Pau drops it out.
Adamson's giving out the errors of their own.
Jaja bumalik ulit sa harapan. Ate Dindin serving. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
Good serve.
Makatuno. Zapanta bumalik sa kanya ang bola. Ang hirap naman talaga.
Zapanta saying masyadong malapit daw sa net ang set.
Underhand na nga at binigay ni...
Yeah.
Actually, tama lang yung set. Ang problema lang.
Ang laki lang talaga eh.
Wala
kasi siyang masyado ng options kung saan niya padadaanin yung bola. You know, given that set too near the net.
What a serve from Dindin Santiago. Maagang timeout ito para kay Sherwin Meneses. 6-1 NU in this fourth set. Nakakamote pagsimula rito ng Adamson, especially if Dindin Santiago can continue doing that.
And remember, in order for Adamson to be able to set up a good play, kailangan magsimula yan sa magandang reception.
Dindin. Better reception now for Adamson. Soriano, nakabang naman si Jaja. Cortel. De Leon, back set, Aganon, yes! Energy off the bench itong si Mina Aganon.
And if you would notice itong NU, yung mga plays na ini-execute nila, mabibilis eh. Mabababa ang mga setup. Unlike sa Adamson, normally it gives NU the time para makahabol dun sa block.
That is in, another ace for Dindin. 8-1 into our first technical timeout. It's all NU dito sa ating fourth set.